Welcome to training program. First, we draw a line vertically. Size of the line does not matter. I use a fair color to better understand the command. After we go to polyline command and draw the desired shape. Select the polyline command. Don't forget to enter letter A in command line. Polyline command to convert the line to arc. Select the revolve command and 3D Tools menu. Let's different color and draw the bottom of the jar using the revolve command. Change the color by typing color in command line. After that, we go to the polyline command and continue to draw. Select the revolve command in 3D Tools menu. Different color and draw the bottom of the jar by using the revolve command and then turn a broken angle to 170 degrees. The shape of the jar was drawn in two colors and one part broken. Type shade command to the command line and enter. It is time to draw axis of motion of camera around the shape using the arc command. Draw arc on the jar. Very important to know axis of movement of the camera shows the direction of movement of camera. A vertical line shows the target of the camera lens. And the visualize menu, select the animation command. A motion path window opens. At the line camera panel, select the path option on the select the camera axis. At the target panel, select the path option. Consider the vertical line at the target of the lens. In animation settings section, using the duration option, we specify the shooting time, which is optional. Inside the window, you will see the video taken by your AutoCAD program. Also save it on your computer. There will be 365 AutoCAD program sessions on this channel. By subscribing to this channel, you can view all the sessions at the same time by uploading. Thanks for watching our channel.